How your day been otherwise so far?
Not bad.
Yeah. Been living here for 10 years at the Nürburgring. Never been at the Nürburgring off-road park before. Never. Not even here on the parking area. Never. For whatever reason. And now it's a first time for everything, and a very good first time. Thanks to Dacia, we will be going out with the one and only Sébastien Loeb, who has won WRC 9 times. The record holder of the most amount of WRC championship wins, stages, races, and I think like also in a row. So is there life after WRC?
Life is still a bit the same, because now I'm driving in this car, doing the World Championship of cross country with the Dakar, which is the main race. So that's the main target, is to win the Dakar. It's a new car that we have since this year with Dacia. Works quite well. So for sure we had some little things to adjust, but now the car is really performant. So
nice.
Yep.
People who like the numbers, in short, about this car, like power, range, suspension, travel.
Yes. So it's a 4-wheel drive car. It's not very powerful. It's like 400 horsepower. The minimum weight is more than 2 ton.
Okay.
So that's the regulation is the same for everybody. Suspension travel is around 35 centimeter. The fuel tank is 500 liters. So we have quite a big range, because sometimes we are doing some stages for more than 500 kilometers. So it can be
in one go on one.
Yeah. So every day in the Dakar, every day the stages are minimum 400.
Wow.
So it takes a long time, depending if it's dunes or. So it's
quite challenging.
It's quite challenging. It's a long race, 15 days, and 500 per day. So.
But you have aircon in the car. Yeah. so that's good. That
I think it would be impossible without.
Yeah. Nowadays, driver endurance is very important, and driver comfort. But like, gone are the days when people gonna say like, "Oh, real man, no aircon, weight reduction, and all that stuff." We didn't do that anymore. You've done pretty much everything and anything when it comes to rallying. What tips could you give someone who like look up to you and wants to get into rally or motorsport?
I think for the rally, the best thing, if you want to have an evolution and that the manufacturer gets interest in you, is to do the promotion formula.
Okay.
Because everybody has the same car, and so it's really the driver who makes the difference. If you just do like a rally here and there, no one can compare. So. For me, it's like this that I started. Then I was leading the promotion formula, and then Citroën started to get interested in me, and it went like this. Important thing also is not to break the car every weekend, because it's quite expensive, and so it can be difficult.
What's the most important basic skill of a rally driver?
The base is the talent, I think. Then you can, because you can see if even between your friends, you have some who are driving better than the other ones, and it's a part of natural. Then for sure, if you have the talent, it's not enough. You need to work around it to improve. In the rally, the pace notes are something very important. You need really to concentrate, to find a good system, to be precise, and that's a part of the job.
Nice. Is there any discipline you would like to try you haven't yet?
I tried quite a lot. I tried.
What do you like the most outside of rallying?
MotoGP.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What excites you there? Like the adrenaline rush? Just
I like motorbikes.
Yeah.
I am also riding motorbikes sometime on track for fun. Not on the Nordschleife.
No. No, awesome. Yeah, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yes, let's go for some laps of a Nürburgring onboard park. Onboard. Off-road park, not onboard. I'm doing too many onboards. That's also an onboard, one of the most epic ones. And yeah, you guys can also come here and try out a Dacia or any other car as well off-roading, because the track seems to be quite exciting.
As the Nordschleife, huh?
No, but it's a different kind of experience. It's very nice. missing any credit that was from your co-driver.
I'm trying to find some ways.
You been on Nordschleife before?
Yeah, I went just. You mean today or?
Or any time?
I did the 24-hour 20 years in 2001.
Wow.
So with a BMW
Nice.
M3.
Wow. Which model was it then? E46 or E46?
E46, I think.
Yeah. Wow. That's a long time ago. Yeah, it's before GT3s and everything.
Yeah, but it was like amateur. It was my beginning in the motorsport, and one of my sponsors was doing this for fun, and he told me, if you want to drive with us, you can come. So I went.
Well, a lot of people say that the Nordschleife is like a rally stage. It's also blind and
Yeah, but much faster.
yeah, of course. You should not be going sideways.
That was the wildest thing I ever done. Like, not seeing where you go, but going up the hill, up to the skies, and you know that. Whew, that I want to do a WRC ride along now with Hans system, because that was quite tough. Massive thank you to Dacia Germany for setting this up. The Sandero was still cooler.